Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share two inspirational pieces that I saw online that I've wanted to make for a while. So I decided to make something similar and wanted to share the process with you just in case you wanted to make this item as well. First, I wanted to make a base, so I decided to use this 5x5 inch plaque for that. I found the center of it and drew a line straight across. Then I marked where I wanted my sticks that will support the sculpture. Afterwards, I drilled a pilot hole at each mark. I realized the holes weren't big enough, so I decided to go with a 1/4 of an inch bit, and the holes were perfect for the sticks. And these sticks you can find at the Dollar Tree. You can use them for so many things. I placed hot glue at the bottom of each of the sticks, and then I placed them in the holes. Next, I painted the base black, and then afterwards, I set it aside to dry. Next, I took a round piece of foam and drew an odd round shape on top of it. Then I used my X-acto knife to cut the shape out. I realized I needed something longer to cut out the foam, so I decided to use a butter knife. Later, I went back in with my X-acto knife and I carved out more foam to add more texture. Once I finished, I placed the foam on top of 2 sticks to make an imprint. This will help determine where the sticks will go into the foam. I used an extra stick to make the holes a little bit deeper. Then I added a little bit of glue on the inside of it and placed the foam on top and secured it in place. Next, I took Plaster of Paris and mixed it with water until I got a peanut butter consistency. Then I applied it on top of the foam. Once it was dry, I decided to use Arteza's Pearl Marmalade as a base coat. And then experiment with adding Rustoleum's wood gel stain on top. And I didn't like how it started to look. So I decided to spray paint the piece a metallic silver color off camera and then use Arteza's Pearl Space Gray on top to bring the texture out. I didn't want a lot of it on there, so I took a wet paper towel and wiped some of it off. And that's it. I thought this turned out to be a very cool and interesting piece. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.